Welcome back to the channel. Sorry for my lack presence on YouTube recently in these few weeks, but I was very busy with live work activities and roadmap certification activities also. But once I found time, I really like to share knowledge regarding the security sector. Actually, I'm not aiming to become a YouTuber, but I really like to work on this channel decently in order to enhance my my way to talk about these topics, enhance my speech skills, and also to share knowledge with people regarding these topics and that are hopefully doing my same path or are even further in a timeline way. And the main reason of this video is the API penetration testing course. The API penetration testing course covers all the key topics to become an API Sec professional. This hands-on course provides detailed workshop on API techniques and how to uncover vulnerabilities and logic flow in APIs. It is made by Corey Ball. Corey Ball has emerged as one of the leading experts in API security and is the author of Hacking APIs, a very important and useful book. I really suggest to read that book and to try to pick a lot of knowledge from it. Well, let's focus on the course. This course provides hands-on instruction on testing API for security flows. Participants in the course have learned specific details, tools, and techniques for analyzing, testing, and identify API vulnerabilities. The skills learned include API reconnaissance, scanning, auditing JSON Web Tokens, performing authentication and authorization attacks, and exploiting other common API weaknesses like injection, mass assignment, and server-side request forgery. As you can see, the course is structured in 13 modules. There is an introduction, lab setup, API reconnaissance, endpoint analysis, scanning APIs, API authentication attacks, exploiting API authorization, testing for improper asset management, mass assignment, server-side request forgery, and the last two topics are injection attacks, evasion, and combining techniques. The structure of the course, typically you will find a video on top of the page where in this video recorded by Corey, he will describe the key things to use to succeed in the module, and he will share a lot of knowledge and a lot of external resource to be to enhance your knowledge regarding API penetration testing in this module and even in the wild, because mainly once you acquire this knowledge, you can use it to do like bug bounty or penetration testing activities in your work. And another thing that you will find in this course is that there is always a transcript below the videos, in which I think the aim of this transcript is to provide you with a resource to read and to try to take useful things from it and take a lot of useful resources. This example is regarding lab setup, but even in other modules you will find this structure. And another suggestion that I really like to share is to use one tool to take notes. At the moment I'm using Gitbook. I don't know if this is the most valuable one, but I found it recently once I started to prepare for the OSCP, and I think it's a key thing to succeed in this sector. It's a key thing to succeed as a bug bounty penetration tester, because you need to create your armory and your dictionary notes in order to use it once you need it, and in order to avoid times searching with Google Dorking. That it's a very powerful tool, but most of the time if you have notes, dictionary notes available, it's more valuable than going through research, because if you have created it yourself, You will remember things fastly than searching on Google Doc. Well, I think this at the moment, which this tool is very useful and you can connect it with GitHub. But I think maybe there is other tool to take notes, but for now, this is my mainly resource. In conclusion, I strongly suggest to do this course because it provides you with a broad and wide knowledge regarding API penetration testing, and once you finish it, you will earn a certification on Credly. And that's all for the video. Thank you for the attention, and see you with future videos once I find time. But I think I will do in future some video regarding Web Security Academy, because I saw that Porzwigger published new topics and I really like to spend some time there to enhance my knowledge. See you in the future.